Thank you, Fred. Hey, did you have enough beer? Yeah. Oh, that's good. That's why there's plenty of time afterwards. So, I will do it through red fashion. Show your hands if you have a smartphone with you right now. That's pretty much everyone in the room. Show your hands if you have a tablet with you right now. A tablet. Yeah, so and so, yeah? She has got one. So, we know where this is going, right? Your smartphone 10 years ago did not have a touch screen. Now it's hard to imagine one without it because it's so intuitive, it's so easy to use. Now if you look at your tablet, almost all your computing needs are being replaced by a tablet which has actually a smart, intuitive, interactive screen over there. So that begs the question, what's next? So the Microsoft guys are figuring it out and saying that desktop is next or your laptop is next. So they're turning that into a multi-purpose tablet and PC. But we're not happy with that. We want more. So what is even beyond that? Beyond that is interaction everywhere. You want to make everything so easy and intuitive to use, right? There is no reason I should be able to walk up to the screen and use it like a normal tablet, right? What if I could just do this? So instead of showing you what all it could do, right, let me just run through it. You should be able to walk into a conference room, do a presentation, demo of your new app or your web service, just as if you would do it on a normal tablet. You would be able to use your coffee table as if it's an interactive table. You would be able to walk into a shopping location or a retail store and have all the information you need embedded on the walls, on the tables, on the, the windows, wherever you want. And not just that. You should be able to turn even the objects placed on a store, for example, turned into an interactive touch experience. That's information everywhere. That's interaction everywhere. And why stop at that? Let's have some more fun. You should not be restricted for playing Angry Birds on a 7-inch or how many inches an iPad screen, right? You should be able to play it on a big, giant screens. And that's what we do. We provide interaction everywhere. We turn every surface, just like this one, into a multi-touch screen. And how do you do that? If you're really excited and if you want to actually have one, we have really, really good news for you. The good news is that it works with what you have. You already have a PC. You already probably have a projector, right? All you need extra is this piece of hardware that costs like a couple of $100 that you can buy from Amazon and get it shipped tomorrow, and then our software. Once you have it, you can use any application that already exists on a Windows 8. PowerPoint, your normal map application, your browser, whatever you want, that runs already on your PC. You can use them and then have the interactive experience on any kind of surface that you can see like this. So it's not surprising when you think about something like this, right? It may be surprising when you think about it like, okay, this looks like, it could be used everywhere. That's pretty much what we're saying. Yes, that's what actually people think too. It could be used in a classroom to make education more interesting. It could be used in a war room. If you're thinking about strategy, 10 people huddling around and looking at maps and plans and so on. It could be used to make your newsroom more sexy, right? So that's what we have been seeing. But being a startup, it's interesting to think big, but we have to also think about where our money, our next meal comes from. So that's where we think that the best place to start off would be an office space where you already have tons of projectors installed, where you already have the PCs out there which are connected to these projectors, and we turn them into interactive space. So that's where we're actually kicking off and starting off with our market entry strategy right now. So we have already been a private beta, so it has been all top secret so far now. So there are guys like Microsoft and construction companies like Vash doing it for 3D model presentation. There are consulting companies trying to make the presentations and demos cooler and so on. But now, we're ready to have more fun. Because we think that there is no reason why only big enterprises should be doing this, right? You should be able to have fun with it. You should be able to play Cut the Rope on a big screen, just like you would play Angry Birds on it, right? Why should you limit your tablet experience to such a small screen? So, we are already... We should give him another chance.
Cut the rope.
Here you go.
Cut the rope.
Oh no.
Too much pressure.
Yeah. So go. Pre-order now. So you can have it and have fun with it. So if you're also interested, we are also hiring. If you want to make this even sexier and more awesome, come and work with us. Thank you.
All right. Any questions?
You could actually draw, you could write, yeah. You could use your hand as if it's a stylus.
Anup, can you repeat the question in the microphone for
he was asking if you could
stream?
write and, kind of whiteboarding experiences on it can be enabled. So I'm just saying that you could actually write with your hand or finger. Yes, please. Oh, it starts with 149 and goes all the way up to 1499.
All right. Anything else, guys? Oh.
No, we think that's so obsolete and old-fashioned. You could just walk and use your hand and fingers, right?
Let us say I'm blocking the view.
Hang on.
Oh, okay. No, it doesn't have. Yes.
How precise can you get it? I saw when you were up there, you're moving your whole hand, the circle was quite large. When you start using just fingers to be able to...
So the idea is that whatever you can do with your finger on a tablet, you can scale it up and use with your hand on a big screen. Yes. We already track multiple people using it, so we're not that greedy yet, so we don't charge per person or whatever it is, but we know how many people are using it already.
All right.
Yeah, that's right.
All right, guys, that's it for Ubi. Let's hear it again.
Woo!